Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, friends! What did I get from Santa? I got a subscription from MEL Science! I got the first kit, the Jungle Jack. With the Jungle Jack, we will assemble a model of real jack lift, explore how a scissor mechanism works, build a simple hydraulic system. I'm so excited to build my jack lift, so let's get started! Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box is a science journey book, and on the last page it has every component in our set. There's the instructions and our mystery planet map. There's a base plate and an AR card and the elements to build our lift. Let's have fun building our first hydraulic lift. I'll explain the science later. My hydraulic lift is ready. How does it work? When we push one piston from one side, the liquid inside it pushes the other piston. This squeezes the base of the scissor mechanism and lifts the lift. If we do the opposite, it goes down. How cool! Why do we need hydraulic lifts? Hydraulic lifts change the direction of the push, so we can lift heavy items with pushing instead of lifting. We all know that pushing is easier than lifting. So I'm going to lift this heavy box on this lift. Wow, that is high. Let's make it go low. High, low. MEL Science has a very nice app which explains this using AR and 3D models. It has sliders, everything we might need. I enjoyed using the MEL Science Jungle Jack kit. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button. Bye! See you soon!